Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate you taking time out of y'all's busy schedule to stop in and see what it is I'm up to. I came down to the beach to shoot this video, but it's actually too windy. Has sand blown all over my face and stuff. Anyway, the other day, you may remember, I picked up this multi-tool when I was at Ollies, and a couple of y'all requested a review type of thing. So I opened it up when we went out to the wrecking yard, out to the salvage yard for my brother's parts, and then didn't use it. Anyway, this is made by Sheffield, a multi-tool, limited lifetime warranty. It says stainless steel attachments, stainless steel and hardwood handles. It's 11 ounces, 4.5 inches when it's folded. It says we have long nose pliers, regular pliers, fish scale, and hook remover. Alright, well, let's start out like this. They say that is locking or long nose pliers and regular pliers. That's one tool. That's not two for me. Wire cutter, wire stripper. That's here. It works pretty good. I ended up actually using it to cut a bunch of electrical cords, so it actually works fairly decent. My main problem with it is when you cut the cords, then sometimes it sticks. It doesn't want to open back up. Let's see. Fish scaler hook remover. There we go. Fish scaler hook remover with a 2.5 inch ruler and a soft file. So if you want to measure something that's 2.5 inches, you got a ruler for it. I guess you can go 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, and a soft file. Let's see. Clip point blade. Like that. That's got a halfway decent edge on it. It's not super sharp by any means. I may play around with that a little bit. Let's see what these other things are here. They call one that's a 1/16 inch slotted screwdriver. 1/8 inch slotted screwdriver with a bottle opener, and then there's an awl. There we go, and the awl. Let's see what how good the awl works. See if I can get that back out again. They are definitely stiff. Let's see. A piece of leather here. That's kind of an all shucks if you ask me. Needs more of a point. Let's see. Over on this side we have 2.5 inch wood saw. Don't confuse that with the fish scaler. A number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Can opener. Yeah, that's actually kind of sharp. So that's kind of cool. There is a lanyard piece. Why they couldn't have just left a hole and not put a piece in, but I guess that gives them an extra number that they can add on. And then what is this called? Okay, that's a 1/4-inch slotted screwdriver. That's a big piece of metal to basically just be a little screwdriver. I guess not bad. It doesn't lock into place. One of my biggest gripes about this thing is when you fold it, it doesn't fold up. So it's a nice looking piece. Sheffield makes decent tools. I've never had any problem with the Sheffield knife, so I'm sure this will come in handy now and then. Of course, I've got a fair number of these stashed here, there, and elsewhere. And for $5.99, yeah, it's not a bad deal. If you're going to go for one, go for one. If nothing else, it looks nice. So that is my opening and review. Like I said, I have used it to cut electrical cords off of lamps and whatnot, and then cut the cords up because I was using the cords. I use electrical cords as cordage. I was tying the tarp down on my tent in my backyard and needed to cut the cords and had this handy, so that's what I was using. But like I said, also you would snip the cord and then this would stay closed. It would be caught on the cord. So I don't know what that's all about, but there's the review opening thing. And if I use it a few times, and over the next couple months or whatever, maybe I'll do an update on the review. So let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs down or thumbs up. Leave me a comment wherever it is y'all leave comments on your internet access device of choice. If you'd like to share me around on your social media, that would be fandoculous. If you want to check out my Facebook, there'll be a link in the description box wherever that is on your device of choice. You'll also find videos links to videos that I've done in the description box, as well as my snail mail. Like send me letters or rocks or whatever. You want to send me a check for $1,000. Mother Nature has a tendency of throwing a monkey wrench in people's lives. You never know what's going to happen. We're not promised tomorrow, people. We're not promised our next breath. So if your loved ones are nearby, give them a kiss and a hug. If they're not, give them a call. Let them know you're thinking about them. Let them know you love them. Till I see you all again, I hope you have a fandoculous day. Slouchy, y'all.